What is going on, YouTube? Appreciate y'all tuning back into another video. It is Friday. We are in Dallas. Day 2 of Dallas. Finally got some rest last night. Some much needed sleep, man. We're headed to Texas Used Bike Direct to meet up with some of the boys. Probably gonna go grab some breakfast or some lunch. And then we have the huge event that we are down here for tonight at Used Bikes Direct. Definitely excited for that. We made it to Used Bike Direct in the morning. We got everybody showing up. About to go grab some breakfast, some lunch. Alright, well, we're going to get breakfast at Waffle House, and we want to get actually good food, so.
They just pulled up too.
I seen that.
The Blondie and all them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab my bike inside.
Alright, yeah, we're ready. About to go grab breakfast with the boy Nick. Came all the way from Florida in the Sprinter van. Look at this thing. He just picked this up. The MBT Clothing Sprinter van. Got the boy CJ Media, as always, on the SP, looking amazing. He completely rebuilt this bike. You would never know. If you guys never seen CJ Media, check him out. He rebuilds bikes on YouTube. Dude's a master mechanic, master at his craft. He's got bikes for days in the garage that he's rebuilt. Tons of videos on his channel of him just tinkering with these bikes and rebuilding them from completely wrecked to all the way done up. Look at this exhaust. It's pretty crazy exhaust. Last night was pretty crazy. We finally got some sleep, a little bit rejuvenated, re-energized. Oh man, it feels so good today in Texas. God damn it.
Are you good? You good?
I'm fine.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Something oil, dude.
I know.
I don't know.
I'm not gonna try to start it.
Your front wheel's bent.
What?
The front wheel's flat and bent.
The wheel?
Yeah, check this out.
Damn it, dude. Hey, I need you to get on the bike and push me. God damn it. Oh.
Go to the right, go to the right, go to the right. Go right. It's all bent up. Are you good though?
I'm fine. I just want to get the f out of here.
Yeah.
I thought something happened to the bike.
Nah, it was good.
Wow.
We're pushing it to get it out of here?
Yeah, we gotta get the f out of here.
Alright. I'll try to keep my legs straight and just push. Yeah, we're good. His bike's down, so And the wheel's bent in the front, so.
Y'all want to load it on my trailer?
You sure?
Yeah, I'm okay with it.
All right.
I can literally sit on your trailer and hold it, bro. Can you pull up right here? We can load it in your trailer.
Yeah, no, yeah.
I appreciate it, bro. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, crap.
Alright, you're gonna move that over there.
Yeah.
You want to just take us to the next exit?
Yeah, I was gonna take it to Walmart. Martin's over here.
That's fine.
Oh.
You want me to turn around and come back?
I would just take the first exit and just drop us off, and I'll have him come pick me up.
Yeah.
Just get us off the highway.
I don't mind taking you back to the dealership and get your tire fixed, man.
Hey, his rim's bent.
Huh?
His rim's bent.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it has to be bent.
It's bent.
I'm just gonna hold it, bro. Hey, just try to go slow. God damn it, dude. This is just fairings and a front wheel. Nah, bro. That sucks. God, ain't no way I just actually did that. Ah, that sucks. That really, really sucks. Oh, man. Good thing this guy stopped. That would have been... That would have been really... Good thing I have an extra tail section at the house, an extra tail light, an extra front wheel at the house. Just need fairings. Fairings and... Oh, I shaved that. Turn signal being lit off. Sheriff rolling by, dude. Oh my god, there's another one. Oh, what? Oh my god. Damn it, man. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. God damn. Hey, thank you, bro.
Quad lock held on to it.
I appreciate it, dude. Thank you again, bro.
No problem.
Thank you.
I'll see you at the meet later. Welcome to Texas, bro.
Right? That was probably the worst thing to see in my rear view mirror.
Take it?
That was the worst thing to see in one of my mirrors. Because I hear him wheeling, I see in my mirror to see him sliding out.
Hey, man. I know he's hurting right now, but best case scenario is right now he'll walk. Alright, yeah, already on the sidewalk. Not bad at that.
Well, here officially is the aftermath of the S1000. Damn it, dude! Look at that, bent the wheel and everything, dude.
City. Week City.
What the?
We got a real life NBT commercial.
Boy, is he not lying. These jeans literally saved my ass. If you guys have been watching the videos for a while now, you know how much I love the way NBT feels over any other gear. And unfortunately, as you guys just seen, I had the pleasure of testing how well this gear holds up. And if you ever were skeptical if the gear is actually functional for its purpose, well, here's your proof it works. One big thank you to NBT for actually making quality gear. I'll drop a link in the description to where you guys can check out this same gear. Now let's get back into the video.
Looks like you held up. Looks like you held up pretty well. Yeah.
Got it? Yeah, take that side.
You got the OG built from the bottom here. Yeah, built from the bottom in here. He's not buying this bike. He's just helping load it in the back. And then CJ. He's definitely friends with the right people. That's it.
Yeah, you look fine though.
Alright, man, the S1000 is officially loaded up. Unfortunate. Very grateful to have people like CJ, all the boys pulled up, make sure I was good. Unfortunate, man, but you know, things happen. Fortunately, I'm okay, and we're gonna have to figure out something because it's Friday afternoon and that's S1000 now, so. You got any bright ideas on what we should do, CJ?
We need a wheel.
We need a wheel.
We gotta JB weld that cover.
JB weld the cover.
And you're set, my guy.
Absolutely shredded that exhaust. Hey, it's a good thing I never did buy another slip-on, you know?
Because it was a waste of money.
Oh, man. Super shitty situation, but like I said, we're thankful we're all right. Thankfully, I got good people in my life to come swoop the bike up. And yeah, we're gonna figure out what the plan is from here. We're on the side of the road, gonna try to get the bike back to the house and go from there. So.